Hey, it's Travis Blue. You know, every year my mom makes the best holiday party mix. And every year my dad would eat out all the nuts. But this year, I'm making my version with just nuts. All right, for my holiday party nuts, I had a couple cans of mixed nuts from the grocery store that were lightly salted. I also had some unsalted walnuts that I put in. Mixed all together. It's a little over 2 pounds, two and a half. It's not exact, but you know, it's this much. I also have a quarter cup of brown sugar, quarter teaspoon each of cumin and mild chili powder. I'm gonna put in a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Please don't make me pronounce it again. About a tablespoon of maple syrup I'll drizzle in also for a little extra sweetness. A tablespoon of chopped fresh rosemary. I have an orange. I'm gonna cut off a slice and squeeze some fresh orange juice in there. And 2 tablespoons of butter and a tablespoon of bacon fat. Yes, bacon fat. It's the holidays. And that's what Mom put in hers. That's what I'm putting in mine. If you don't want to do that, use extra butter or oil, but use the bacon fat. Put it in this high-sided metal pan. Got to mix all the ingredients in, drizzle in the butter and bacon fat, give it a good mix, make sure everything is coated. Roast for about 10 minutes, give it another stir, roast for another 10, then it'll be done. Take it out to cool and enjoy. There you just give it a good mix. Make sure it's all coated. It just comes together pretty quickly, really. Just make sure everything it looks kind of glazed. That's ready to put in the oven. Oh man, there we go. The 10-minute mark, give them a stir. They're really starting to smell good. It's gonna be delicious. All right, it's been about 10 more minutes. So I'm gonna take them out and then I'm gonna cool them on a sheet pan with some parchment. All right, they're ready. I mean, they look so good. Time to pour them on, cool them, and enjoy them. All right, it's done, it's cooling. Now just hit it with just a little bit of salt. Now we're all ready. They're sweet, savory, just a fun holiday mix of flavors. If you're having a party, you know, you can put them around in bowls or nice glasses, like this martini glass. You know what else I could put in this martini glass? A martini. Your basic martini is 3 parts gin to 1 part vermouth. I mean, you can have vodka in it if you're an animal. Yes, when making a martini at home, the proper way is to stir it. See, I had this neighbor Britt who used to live upstairs, and she was a server and a bartender, and she taught me this. And I went upstairs one day and she asked me if I wanted a martini, and she goes, no, you stir it. And she just talked and talked. I don't know how long we talked, but at the end it was just this perfect martini. So I stir. During the War of the Spanish Succession, actually a lot of it took place in Holland. See, Charles II of Spain died in 17. Chrysler, you know, they gained market share by putting their cars in colors. Every car was... In the 8th grade, I had a perm. It's the 80s. And that is the secret to time travel. Well, I think we're ready. right. Martinis are poured, but something's missing. That's better.
Why, darling, is that a martini for me?
Well, yes, it is. You need to catch up.
Yes, I do. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
That's delicious.
Divine. Subscribe, everyone.
Yes, please do. Like and subscribe. Comment if you must. Have some more.
Me too. No martini for you, Tobes.
No.
The nuts are good too.